Halo, selamat datang lagi di Kadek Gomez. Di video ini kita akan belajar bagaimana caranya membuat melon ringgit seperti ini. Kita langsung saja ke videonya. Ya, sahabat Kadek Gomez, kita akan membagi dua untuk melon ini. Oke, sudah menjadi dua. Kita akan membuat hiasannya ya. Oke, di sangat simple. Oke, seperti ini.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking
Untuk hiasan di dalamnya kita gunakan buah anggur ya. Oke. Baik sahabat Kadek Gomez, selanjutnya kita akan membungkusnya dengan plastik wrap.
Going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto. It's gold that I spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss, I'll forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, need some antiseptic.
Oke, sahabat Kadek Gomez, sekian dulu video dari saya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share, dan bagikan video ini ke teman-teman. Sampai bertemu di video saya selanjutnya. Bye-bye.